Number 12, defecation disorders can also cause chronic constipation. Now, in order to test that, we can simply do a bowel movement in a squatting position to check whether that position will facilitate easier and complete bowel movements. So what you can do is take any stool, elevate, put your feet on top of that so that the knee is higher than your hip, mimic the squat position. So what that'll help is it'll help push the abdomen and also the rectum in a more straight line instead of a pipe. For example, our rectum should be like this straight vertically, but when you are in a sitting chair position, it becomes like this. So there is a blockage in here. So when you are in a squat position, it becomes straight and it is helped to defecate more easily and for complete bowel movement. And that helps, then that indicates some form of defecation disorder. It may not be extreme or it may be extreme. That can be diagnosed later. But if the squatting position is helpful, that can alleviate the chronic constipation symptoms, then that can indicate some defecation disorders. Again, for some, simply mimicking the squatting position can be enough. For others, there may be more treatment required. Always consult with your doctor. But it's a simple test you can do. Mimic the squat position while during the bowel movement.